In this video, we'll show how to execute a job in the Planado mobile app, discuss changing job statuses, report fields, and completing the job. The job is available to the worker. Let's open it. The job contains the description, address, and contacts, as well as data from the custom fields. A long description can be expanded. If you tap the address, it will open in a navigation app, such as Google Maps or Yandex Maps. The navigation app can be changed in the Profile tab. If you long press the address, its coordinates will be copied. You can then paste them into the navigator. To call the client, tap the contact. The phone number will be copied into the dialer app. You can also copy the number by long pressing. Dispatchers and managers provide additional job information in custom fields. You can view it here, or open them separately as a link or file. Now we can go to the job. Tap En route. The job status has changed to En route. This will be visible in the dispatcher's web app. At the same time, travel time and distance are recorded. If mileage tracking is enabled in the template, we'll talk about mileage tracking in a future video. After arriving at the client's location, start the job. If another job needs to be done after starting this one, or a break is needed, the job can be suspended. To do that, tap Pause. Now the job is suspended. When the worker is ready to continue, they can start or go en route again. After starting the job, fill out the report. Here you'll see different types of fields. Action. The worker must perform an action and mark it as done. To cancel the action, long press the field. Photo. For documenting work results. Each field can hold up to 10 photos. In the template settings, you can enable photo uploads from the gallery. By default, only photos taken from the camera are allowed. This prevents using old images. Text. The worker adds a comment. Number and integer, useful for measurements like quantity or distance. Yes, no can be used as a checklist. For example, did the client request garbage removal? Is an additional trip needed? File, for uploading files up to 25 megabytes. This could be a short video or a generated document. Up to 10 files can be uploaded per field. Date and date time, for example, to indicate the next trip date. Pick list, useful when the worker selects from a predefined list. QR code or barcode. If equipment needs to be scanned, this can be done via the phone's camera. No need to enter manually. Money, to specify monetary amounts. Values use your Planado currency. Signature, used to sign a document attached to the job. The job may be printed and signed by the client. We'll discuss signature features in a future video. In addition to filling out the report, the worker must indicate provided services and attach the used products. This helps track material usage and calculate the total cost of goods and services. Some services are already added to the job. Mark them as provided. Also add additional services. Now attach products to the services. Specify the used quantity. And save the materials. As we can see, the total cost of services and products is shown at the bottom of the job. Now let's finish the job. One of the required fields is not filled in, so the job cannot be completed successfully. Let's go back to the report and complete it. Empty required fields are highlighted in red. Let's fill it in. Now try finishing the job again. That's better. We can now finish the job successfully. Now choose a resolution. Resolutions help categorize how the job was completed. For example, to analyze failed jobs. Let's choose a resolution with a comment. Now we can add a resolution comment. Done. The job is now finished. In this video, we saw the full job flow from the worker side, viewing job info, building a route, going en route, starting the job, filling out the report, adding services and products, and finishing the job. All of this allows you or your workers to complete jobs successfully in Planado.